dreams big and steep, promises I always keep. Even when the road feels tough, I remind myself I'm strong enough. Winners aren't the ones who fly, they're the ones who always try. Every effort, big or small, makes me stand proud and tall. So when it's hard, I won't stop, I'll keep going to the top. You and me, side by side, with teamwork as our guide. If you struggle, I will help. No one faces things by themselves. Working together, sharing ideas, we can calm each other's fears. Many hands can build so fast. Working together makes things last. Together strong, together smart. Teamwork is where victories last. Now write visual prompt as a professional, scene by scene. You and me, side by side, with teamwork as our guide. If you struggle, I will help. No one faces things by themselves. Working together, sharing ideas, we can calm each other's fears. Many hands can build so fast. Working together makes things last. Together strong, together smart. Teamwork is where victories last.
Even when the night feels long, I remind myself I'm strong. Like the moon that softly glows, inner light inside me grows. I believe in what I do, and in my heart I know it's true. I am brave and I am bright. I can shine with all my might, with hope inside and courage too. I believe in what I do, and in my heart I know it's true. I am brave and I am bright. I can shine with all my might, with hope inside and courage too. There's nothing that I cannot do. Please and thank you, nice and clear. These are words we love to hear. Waiting turns and sharing toys brings big smiles to girls and boys. Respect for elders, love for friends, that's how happiness extends. Good manners make us truly bright, like stars that glow in the night. Polite and kind in all I do, that's what smart kids always choose.
is strong, it likes to learn. With every try, new ideas burn. If math feels tricky, that's okay. I'll practice more another day. Reading books and asking why helps my knowledge multiply. Questions help my brain to grow. That's how smart kids really glow. So I won't say I'm not smart, I'll say I'm learning, that's a start. So I won't say I'm not smart, I'll say I'm learning, that's a start. So I won't say I'm not smart, I'll say I'm learning, that's a start. So I won't say I'm not smart, I'll say I'm learning, that's a start. Grandma and Grandpa in a cozy home where love stays bright. Grandma and Grandpa are our light. Grandma's hugs are soft and warm. She keeps us safe from every storm. With gentle smiles and stories sweet, she makes each day feel like a treat. Grandpa's laugh is big and strong. He cheers us up when things go wrong. He teaches lessons kind and true, to work hard and care too. Their love's a treasure shining through, dear. Parents are a safe, warm place, a gentle hug, a smiling face. Mama's prayers both day and night wrap our world in love and light. Papa's hands so strong and wide, always there right by our side. They wipe our tears, they calm our fears, and cheer us on throughout the years. Oh, Allah bless them more each day.
Parents are a safe, warm place, a gentle hug, a smiling face. Mama's prayers both day and night wrap our world in love and light. Papa's hands so strong and wide, always there right by our side. They wipe our tears, they calm our fears, and cheer us on throughout the years. Oh, Allah bless them more each day, with endless joy along their way. Oh, Allah bless them more each day, with endless joy along their way. Thank you for the sky so blue, for trees and flowers kissed with dew. for birds that sing and rivers that flow, for sunsets with their golden glow, for food to eat and clothes to wear, for health, for hope, for every prayer, for all the blessings big and small. Yeah, Allah, thank you for them all. Oh Allah, bless them more each day, with endless joy along their way. Oh Allah, bless them more each day, with endless joy along their way. Her lips are our safe, warm place, a gentle hug, a smiling face.